guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Alfredo sauce from scratch. Now I want to let you guys know, once you guys make this Alfredo sauce, you will never want to buy canned Alfredo sauce again. Let's get started. The ingredients you will need to make this recipe is heavy whipping cream, 1 container of Parmesan cheese, a half a pack of cream cheese, some garlic, and of course salt and pepper. In my description below this video, I will have all of this information for you guys as well. I start chopping up about a handful of garlic, as you can see here. Now, me and my family love garlic, so this ingredient you can put as much or little as you wish. You want to set your pan to medium heat and add some olive oil, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Then you want to add your freshly chopped garlic. Cook your garlic until it begins to brown just a little. Don't saute them for too long or you'll get a burnt taste in your sauce. Now you want to add your heavy whipping cream. I like to add it in slowly, but to be honest with you, I have not noticed a taste difference if you just put the entire container in at once. Can you see the little legs poking out? My daughter was crying while I was in the middle of making this clip. While that begins to warm up, I add my salt and pepper. Once you have given the heavy whipping cream a chance to warm up, this is the time you want to sprinkle in your Parmesan cheese. Now don't get impatient and turn up the heat to melt the Parmesan cheese quicker. Trust me from experience, it messes up the entire sauce because the cheese begins to burn. Once you reach a creamy consistency, you're able to add your last ingredient, your half a pack of cream cheese. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I would love to hear your experiences making this sauce in my comments below. I'll see you guys in my next video. I have to pee so bad. Be showing you guys how to make Alfredo sauce from scratch.